Zoisha.
It's your favoriteest girl, Zoisha! And welcome back. Well, welcome back to my channel, but welcome to a new season of Zoisha. This is how we're starting off 2019. Chapter 2019. Like, this is a fresh from vacation phase. Like, been in bed all day. Well, I just got out the shower not too long ago. Trying to let some of this depression get off for me, but I just made a post on Facebook that I wanted to share with you guys just because I feel like it's New Year's Eve. It's December 31st. It is still technically 2018. However, it's 10:30 at night. It's almost time for the new year. And like literally, I've just been reflecting today, like reflecting on my trip and everything that happened, and also reflecting on the year that I've had. Now, I guess I can start off by reflecting on the trip that I just had. By the time this goes up, you guys would have obviously seen the vlogs. You would have known of everything that has already transpired. So pretty much, okay, yeah, I went down for the wedding. And so like majority of the time of my trip was like helping my dad with the rest of the planning. Cause like I was literally their wedding planner. I did everything, got the rent, like everything I took care of. The only thing they did was spend their money on certain things. I pretty much everything that was brought down for like decor and that type of stuff, I got. Like, that's why I kept saying like all of my money is going to my dad. You know what I'm saying? Which I don't regret or anything like that. He had an amazing time. And that's a reason why I love doing events, because when you see like the expression on the person's face that is hosting the event or that the event is for, and you can tell that they're having the most amazing time, it just makes my whole day. Like, it just makes my whole day. And the fact that it was for my daddy, like that is absolutely everything to me. So with that being said, a lot of my time of my trip, like the first half or most of my trip went to my dad's wedding. Now, during that time, I didn't do anything, actually. I went to the beach maybe one time, like for like an hour or so, and I had to come back home to finish doing whatever it was that I needed to do, you know? So, yeah, then he went on his honeymoon. I have to watch Tajil. Not saying that Tajil cannot watch himself, but Tajil's not going to want to stay home by himself, that type of stuff. So I'm obligated to stay with my brother. Plus, I'm going to spend time with my brother. I don't have the time to spend with him when I'm back here. So that took some days out of my trip as well, right? With that being said, okay, y'all know me and my dad are like this, right? My dad has a tendency to want you to just be with him, not doing anything. And my dad forgets to understand that I do not live in Jamaica. So when I spend my money to come to Jamaica, I don't necessarily just spend my money to sit down in the house all day and do nothing. I want to be active. I want to go see my friends. I want to go meet new people that want to meet me, or I want to just be outside and do different things. And my dad knows this. I've been like this from I was able to like be on my own in Jamaica, like traveling by myself, or just being able to go out and enjoy different things in the city. You know what I'm saying? I guess my dad felt how I felt initially in my trip, because in my trip initially, I was just like, okay, my dad has a fiance. He has a wife. Everything now is him and his wife. You get what I'm saying? And everybody has to live their own life, right? My dad is happily married now. I am not married. But my dad is just like, no, you need family time, you need this and you need that. And whereas I can spend time with you, which I do. And I had like this argument, not necessarily an argument with him, but he just kept passing remarks. And I've reached a point in my life where when it comes to my parents, I just know how to deal with them, because my mom is like me times 1,000. And my dad just has certain ways about him. Like, if he feels like he's not getting his way, it's a problem. Like, my dad has to have his way, like, has to. And so he passed his remarks or whatever, but I don't argue with anybody anymore. Like, I just don't have the time or effort to argue with them, especially with people who I know are like their attitudes are set in a certain way, because it's not going to make any sense. It's not going to change now, like especially when they're older. Like there's no like that's just who they are, so you just have to deal with it and learn how to go around certain things and push past certain situations. So that's where I am with them. So anyways, it was a task for me to get to the airport because he was just like, oh, I thought you had your blah, blah, blah. Anyways, long story short, my dad felt some type of way, but whatever. They tell me I'm older, but they still treat me like I'm a child. And I just have to, you know, bite my tongue sometimes and just kiss ass sometimes so that everybody is happy. But at the end of the day, I have to be the happiest. Like, I'm the one that is coming there, that is spending my hard-earned money to come there. I expect to do what I want to do and have a good time, whatever that entails, with whomever that entails, whatever, right? Okay, so that's just Jamaica. But anyways, with that being said, that was Jamaica. Like, Jamaica overall was amazing. As I said, Daddy got married. I got to spend quality time with my family, even though they felt like I didn't. I had a great Christmas with my family, the ones that celebrate. I got to see my brother. Angie was there. I got to see my aunts. I'm going to be missing my aunt's wedding, which is this weekend, the 6th or the 5th of January. But I had to be back for work for the 2nd, which is why I did not spend New Year's down there. I did not want to come back up tired. I needed the 2 days to relax. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's Jamaica. Now, this year for me. My post is pretty much going to sum it up, but I posted this on Facebook. Like, I've been going back and forth with myself whether or not I was going to say anything or how I was going to close off 2018, because honestly, 2018 was just not the greatest year for me. And there's a lot that I've shared with you guys, but then again, there's a lot that you guys still don't know that transpired. And I don't want to dwell on anything. Like, I have my days, but overall, like, I am over it. Like, I'm honestly over it. So basically, this is the post. And after I read this, I don't know if I'm going to, like, summarize it anymore or, like, elaborate on it anymore. But if there's anybody out there who just feels stuck in any situation or with a person or just anywhere, just know that your situation could always be worse. And I'm not saying that to say that the situation that you're in, you shouldn't necessarily look at it like, okay, well, yeah, this could be worse, like, not whatever. But I'm just saying, like, don't let anybody or anything make you feel like you're stuck, like you cannot come out of anything, because as I feel like as long as you're able to get up in the morning and you're able to have another chance at another day, you have the opportunity to change what can happen. Like, I used to let things bother me so much, like so much. Like, I just used to let things weigh on me. And even though like they would be weighing on me, I'd still find the time to help other people with their issues, to help other people get through what they need to get through. And I can't get through what I need to get through. And I felt like I had so many people like relying on me that I always had to be or come off as strong. Like, in 2018, like, I was so broken. I feel like even though like I came on here and you see me laughing and you see me doing all these things, traveling and all that stuff, you guys, honestly, I had demons to battle with this year. Like, this year, the ending of 2017, from September 2017 up until March 2018, that was literally like my breaking point. Like, literally my breaking point. I really don't know how I managed to like get to this place. But okay, the post says, okay, 2018 is finally over. I cannot say that I am anything other than happy. What was supposed to be the best year for me turned out to be the total opposite, or so I seen it. I realized that certain things have to fall apart before things can come together. Certain people that you meet are only meant to be in your life for a certain period of time to teach you things about life or yourself. I just seen a video of me being recorded by someone who I loved with every bone in me, laugh and mock me while crying and telling me I would never amount to anything, no one would love me, and that I was basically a piece of shit. And because I loved them, I believed it. 2018 broke me on so many levels, and when I thought my life was over, it was just beginning. I have to really thank my family and friends for all of their support during this trying year. I started off the year in the hospital, could not walk, had to be dependent, and it was not a good feeling. And while all of that was happening, I was battling with my thoughts and emotions. March came, I got the strength to walk again, left a toxic relationship, and ended back home with my mom. Can we talk about a humbling experience? Living with people after being on your own is not easy. LOL. Anyhow, I'm saying all of this to say, I will never, ever, ever let anyone have that power over me again. I can no longer put people's emotions, feelings, needs, or wants over mine. I can no longer allow people to know they can depend on me 24/7. Why? Because at my lowest, it was just me. I have to put myself first, and by doing just that, I'm entering 2019 on a high, and I plan to keep it that way. I'm beautiful. I don't need anyone to confirm or deny this. I have shit to work on, but shoot, I'm human too. Finding someone to love me, that won't be hard because there's so much about me to love, but that's the least. I need to love myself more than anything. Going forward, it's literally all about making myself happy and keeping everything positive. If anyone or anything that comes my way is not that, no time will be wasted. I hope everyone took all their losses from 2018 and turned them into lessons, and I wish you guys the greatest for 2019. Now, before I posted this, as I said, I was going back and forth with whether or not I was going to make any posts or say anything, but I just decided, you know what? There's so much that I could say, but my intention in life is not to hurt anyone's character or make them look or seem any type of way. Like I'm growing past that. This is my last year in my 20s. Next year, I'm going to be 30 years old. Oh my God, like just saying it. And like, I feel like as much as I'm old on like in numbers, like in my heart and my spirit, I don't feel that way. And I don't want that to come across like, you know what I'm saying? I want to stay youthful. I want to be youthful. I want to stay positive. And yeah, definitely I'm going to be hit with hard times. I'm going to be hit with struggles. That's life. That's life. But how I choose to deal with them and all the situations that are going to come my way is what is going to make or break it. And I feel like the way I've been doing things before everything fell apart was the wrong way. And after that, I can honestly say that I'm extremely happy and blessed with where I am in life. That's why I don't even have the urge to go out, spend money tonight, party, do anything like that. Like, I just feel so humbled for where I've come from January 21st of this year, or as I should say, September 17th or September 2017 to today. I can honestly say like the growth I've seen in myself, the things that I've achieved, the things that I've done from the situation that I'm coming out of. Like, I'm extremely proud of myself, and I just want to start off 2019 by myself, because at the end of the day, that's literally all that I have. Like, I know for a fact that I can count on Zoe. I know for a fact Zoe will be there for me. Like, I know for a fact Zoe loves me. You know what I'm saying? So I don't think there was any other better way to start a new year than with myself in my own apartment, back from an amazing trip from my family. You know what I'm saying? So I'm saying this to say, I hope you guys have a blessed and happy and amazing and positive a wealthy, a prosperous and successful 2019. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. The love and support that you guys have given me throughout this year, absolutely, I don't know, like, honestly, I don't know how I could have made it without my family, my friends, and you guys. I love you guys so much. If I don't say it enough, forgive me, but I love you guys. And for those of you who talk to me on a personal level, you know how I feel. But I cannot thank you guys enough. It's been not the greatest year, but it's been a year of lessons learned. And I have to be grateful for those lessons, because that's what's going to help me get through the next phase of life and help me in any other situation that I may come across that I already have experience with. So, yeah. It's literally 1 more hour left of 2018. I'm so freaking ready for the new year. Like, I'm so freaking ready. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I think this is a long enough time to talk. I hope you guys took something away from this and can apply it to your lives. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know some goals or stuff like that that you guys have for the new year, or what you guys are planning on changing within yourselves, or, you know, just in your everyday life for the new year. And I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Guys, I looked at the time and it was exactly 12 o'clock. Happy New Year! Oh my God, it's 12 o'clock! Yes, happy freaking New Year! Oh my God. He came to look for me. My mom finally came to look for me on New Year's. Happy New Year's. Yeah, exactly. Because I have her room. And she brought me a Christmas.
You know, you give me this t-shirt. What t-shirt was last
year? Oh, last year, that's your Christmas sweater.
No, yeah. It was nice. You don't even give nothing for the more clean it. And I know what you kind of wipe them off.
Yeah, I'm going to wipe them off and stuff. I'm going to repaint in the inside of the cupboards and...
Big one by itself.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Mine. When I did laundry, I forgot to dry that one.
Why do you choose this color?
I like gray. It goes with like everything. I don't like black or white. I didn't want black or white.
On the table?
Yeah.
Oh, let's put the TV on.
For now.
This alone. Oh, you're up at the dining table over here. Oh, the living room is huge.
Or I can put the dining table in there if I wanted to, in that space.
Right. It's huge. Yeah.
Thank you. Anyways, my mom brought me chips. So funny because I bought chips yesterday.
You bought chips yesterday?
Yeah, mail from the hospital.
Then how many copies did that?
I'm not talking to anybody. I'm recording it. And I got scratch cards.
The bottle I changed for $4.50.
Okay. Sure. Jesus, help. Merry Christmas, Zoe from Mom. Let's see what it is. Ooh, I got socks. So, Mommy, where's my panties?
I don't have panties for you.
So why do I get panties?
I can only have you carry it.
She thinks I only wear thongs.
Okay, Zoe, come here. Like, get these off my phone. Who are you talking to, Tisha?
My gift. Well, I can warm up my pasta in this right now because the girl is hungry. Yes, I always get pots.
How many times I cut here?
This is the second one.
Look at here. An Indian friend and send them for me.
Yes, on WhatsApp.
And one of them say, happy birthday, happy Merry Christmas, Nora P. That's what they call me, Emma. There's so much stuff right there.
She's so excited she has WhatsApp.
Oh my God.
Ooh, thanks for my pots.
Look. My friend is sending so much for me. Look at this one. Oh
wow. Oh God, help me, Jesus. Who's that, Mommy? Why you acting like you don't know? Yes, you do, because you already made your remarks and said what you said to people. But you can't believe how we never tell you at Ray.
Psalm 131, what God?
Oh, God. Are you going to Trisha's?
Today?
Mm-hmm. You should. There's just one bus away. Or 2 buses.
Favor Rita Mackenzie and Miss Zoe Brown. Putting up a cake. Are we begin eating?
I didn't even make it to unveil the cake. We were late for the reception. We missed everything.
Why?
Because there was an accident on the road. And when I was driving, we got stuck in it.
Oh, we just see pictures like this. I mean, just look
Yeah. Whatever.
Wedding ceremony. Need a funner, lover, own himself. So when I sister in line driving. So this was in the thing?
Yes, that's what I was saying. It's a duvet cover because this thing zips and it opens. So the duvet is supposed to go in line.
This is really good.
But we need a new sheet set though.
You can take your time and buy
My birthday's coming up. I'm telling you guys what I want. I need a microwave. I need a sheet set. You like that sweater? I was gonna get you one. They had big sizes.
Where?
Ardeen.
When you're ready to pack out, is that close, eh?
Huh?
Is there a hell when you pack out all these stuff?
What do you mean pack them
You
out?
only need your own place, so you know you got it. You do what you have to do with it, right? Thank you.
We'll soon come back though.
Come back where?
To you.
I don't want nobody in the house. Then let me out to be.
I need to save up some money because I'm gonna go live in Jamaica.
Oh. How is money?
Yeah, from the Dominican.
It's nice.
Thank you.
Very nice. This is nice. We never seen nothing like this. Fancy job. It's okay.
You guys, this is the first and probably like the last time you're gonna see my mom in my house.
Why?
Because you're not coming here. she would go to my sister's house all the time.
You know I don't have time.
But she makes time to go to my sister's house and stuff like that. But to come here, oh my gosh. I asked her to make to plant some plants for me because I want some plants.
You're gonna put a plant.
So somewhere in the living room.
Put it already. It's there already.
Somewhere in the living room. And then when summertime comes back, I know Walmart will have like the big ones.
And you can barbecue for your balcony.
They say you're not supposed to, but
Your balcony bigger than mine, you know?
yeah.
My God. It's huge, so you don't want nothing else more than take your time and do what you have to do. Pay your rent, pay your bills, take your time, 50 cents, and live your life.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry about nothing else.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is fine.
Yes, ma'am.